there! As an aspiring software developer and data scientist, do you know which programming language should be on the top of your choice to build a successful career in programming world? Is it JavaScript, Go, C, C++, Kotlin, R? No, the answer is Python. Python is the talk of the town right now. It's in high demand, and guess what? Experts predict that in the next 5 years, 80% of job opportunities will require Python skills. With a growing community across different domains such as data science, machine learning, AI, web development, and more, Python is the language of the future that opens many career opportunities in software industry. Now, here's where your career dreams come true with ease. Introducing LearNowX's Python course. No more boring, lengthy tutorials and monotonous lectures, but learning becomes accessible, enjoyable, rewarding, and effortless like never before. Our 5-month course will take you from a beginner to Python hero, empowering you to create applications and games with confidence. When you join LearNowX, you'll learn Python basics, data structure, algorithms, and more. Work on hands-on projects to build in-demand skills. Expert guidance and knowledge from our mentors throughout. Get placement assistance to achieve career goals. Earn a prestigious LearNowX Python certification upon completion. Our courses covers everything from core Python and agile framework to multi-process architecture, database, and SQLite. You'll also delve into Python's basic framework like Django or Flask and gain expertise in data analytics. This course is perfect for you if you want to learn to code from scratch while working on meaningful projects. You are a beginner looking to become a Python professional or want to upskill yourself. You are an experienced programmer looking to transition to Python throughout practical coding projects. Learning Python made easy with live one-to-one industry expert sessions and hands-on training. And that's what set our course apart. To join the rank of Python experts, there's no better time than now to enroll in LearNowX's Python course. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below to join our top-rated Python development course. Start your journey to become a Python pro today.